안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to introduce you to two types of tteokbokki that my daughter has been craving. Jjajang Tteokbokki and Rose Tteokbokki. I've shown you spicy tteokbokki recipes before, but I highly recommend trying these versions as well. They are so delicious that you will want to have them again. Shall we make it together? This is the rice cake for the tteokbokki we will use today. If you go to the Korean market, you will find various types, but thinner rice cakes like this absorb the sauce better and taste more delicious. Soak the rice cakes in water for about 10 minutes before use. How to make the sauce. This is black bean sauce powder. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of black bean sauce powder. 4 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and a little pepper. Mix well. Delicious Jjajang Tteokbokki sauce is ready. Preparing ingredients. This is a large green onion. You can buy it at a Korean market. If you don't have large green onions, you can use green onions. Cut them into appropriate sizes. Using plenty of green onions will add a rich flavor and make the Jjajang Tteokbokki more delicious. Cut half an onion into appropriate sizes as well. Slice the pork which has a bit of fat on it. I use the pork belly. Thinly slice the pork belly. You can also use beef instead. Stir frying. Heat a tablespoon of cooking oil in a preheated pan. Add the sliced green onions. Stir fry the green onions on high heat until the aroma is released. Then add the pork belly and onions. Stir fry for about 30 seconds. Then add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce for seasoning and continue to stir fry. Stir fry for about 1 minute. Add about 2 cups of water. Once it starts to boil, then add the prepared sauce and mix well. Add the tteokbokki rice cakes. If you have boiled eggs, add 2 of them. Boil for about 5 minutes on medium heat, stirring occasionally. After 5 minutes, wow, it smells so good. If it tastes a bit bland, you can add 1 to 2 pinches of salt. I will serve it in a bowl. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. You can also sprinkle a little gochujang if you like. Very delicious and savory Jjajang Tteokbokki is done. How to make the sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of any tomato pasta sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of gochujang to give it a Korean taste. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of dashida to enhance the umami flavor and mix well. Dashida is a Korean soup stock powder. If you don't have dashida, you can add a bit of ramen soup powder. Delicious Rose Tteokbokki sauce is ready. Preparing the ingredients. Cut half an onion into appropriate sizes. Slice 2 fish cakes too. I often buy this brand of fish cake because it's tasty. Cut it in half, then half again, and continue cutting to your desired size. The fish cakes can be cut into any shape you like, such as triangles, squares. This is Vienna sausage. You can find it in the frozen section of Korean markets in US. Make slight cuts on them so they can absorb the sauce better and look prettier later. If you don't have Vienna sausages, you can use any sausage or bacon you like. Slice about 5 cloves of garlic thinly. How to cook. Add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to a pan. Stir fry the sliced garlic over medium heat. Once the garlic fragrance is moderate, add the prepared sauce and stir fry them. Then add the sliced ingredients and the rice cakes and stir fry them. Add about 2 cups of water and boil them for about 5 minutes over medium-high heat. Once boiling, add 1 cup of heavy cream and stir well. If you have a boiled eggs, add about 2. As the sauce thickens, sprinkle some pepper, and if it tastes a bit bland, add 1 to 2 pinches of salt. You can also sprinkle a little parsley powder. According to your preference, adding cheese can also be delicious. A new flavor and delicious rosé tteokbokki is done. Jjajang Tteokbokki has a new and unique taste with its black bean sauce, while Rosé Tteokbokki with its smooth taste and the addition of gochujang is not greasy, not spicy, and really delicious. It's so good that I almost finished it all. How was today's recipe? I found both to be delicious. Which type of tteokbokki do you prefer? Please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.